Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the caller screen not appearing on the phone or the phone screen turning off when calling and the screen becomes black. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before starting the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us begin the explanation with God's blessing. The first step, my friend, is to go to settings. After that, go to applications, then click on applications again. After that, click on the three small dots above here, then click on reset application settings. Nothing will be deleted. We will return the system applications to the default settings. Thus, if there is any problem or any data restriction causing this problem, it will be solved after that. My friend, look for call management, and if you do not find it, click on the three small dots above here, then click on show system or show system processes until the default phone system applications appear. After that, click on call management, then click on storage. After that, click on delete data, and do not worry, nothing will be deleted for you after that, my friend. You go back and make sure that the phone protector is not dusty, cracked or has bubbles, because sometimes the phone protector screen causes this problem. Then restart your phone and God willing, the problem will be solved.